Hi everyone, welcome to another Waifu Wednesday. This time around we've got a Heavenly Girl pack. This has got everything. It's got Miku, it's got RE0, it's got Evangelion, it's even got your eye patch girl. I ordered this with all my other Goddess Story cards. I have no idea if this is part of that series. I think this was actually 30 bucks, which is pretty expensive, all things considered, when normally a box of cards costs about $20 from China. So I'm not exactly sure why the price of this was so much. So here's some of the details. I'm not exactly sure what's in this, but this box is pretty heavy duty, so maybe it's just like a full set of cards. Let's all discover it together. So, trying to figure out how this opens. Looks like it's a slide. Okay. All right. It's got a card in here, which it's a star card. I have no idea what that means. I wonder if that's some sort of like redemption card or something. Star card. It's got a pattern on it. So I got 100 stars. And what in the world? What is this? Okay. So it does have a redemption, which is on the other side of this, which I'm not going to show. So I'm going to have to take a look at what that's all about. And then it comes with 4 sealed envelopes and a 4 card protectors, and then a card already in a card protector. So what is this all about? All right, it's an HR card, for whatever that means. Is this number 32 of 48? So, and this has sort of lenticular, can you see that kind of moving? It gives it sort of a 3D look. I'm wondering if that's what all these cards are like. So there's that. So I paid I paid $30 for what amounts to 5 cards, a redemption card, whatever this is, a star card, wherever that is. So let's take a look at this. Heavenly Girl. Individually sealed. Star card. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, maybe it's 2 cards. That's better. So this is an LR card with some foil action like we always enjoy. TJSN. Heavenly Girl. Okay. I don't know why they give you 4 card protectors. Here's a UR card. Was this number 13 of 36? Okay. So that was in 1. Now number 2. Pack 2. We've got a LR card. It's got foil and, stamp. Foil stamp. And a UR card, number 14. All right, pack 4. Here we got, I'm not sure who this is. A GR card. Number 18 of 54. A UR card. And the final pack, which is insane to me. Could this be a winner of most expensive packs of cards I've bought? Here's an SP card, so that looks more special. And the final card, UR card. If you know what these are and why they're so expensive, let me know in the comments below. They definitely got me with this picture because I was hoping to get Asuka, obviously, and even a Miku. So yeah, that's a pretty weird set. Not really sure why they give you, I guess you can put them, you know, back to front. This is crazy. Maybe they're sort of like party favors. And that's why they're so expensive. So I hope you enjoyed that quick one. It ended up being quick. And this mysterious Heavenly Girl box of cards, if you will. I definitely don't really recommend this for the price. This should have been at least like $4. Or $5. I can understand it being more because the box is really nice. So hope you're enjoying this series. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks, everyone.